it's Stacey from the YMCA. Today we're going to be making confetti bean salsa from our Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities curriculum developed by the Michigan Fitness Foundation. This is one of my absolute favorite snacks because it's really easy and it's delicious. So as you can see, we have all the ingredients we need right here. I've drained and rinsed black beans, a can of corn, and I've diced up a green pepper. All you're gonna do is mix everything you have in this large bowl. I've already started, so we're gonna add a little bit more corn. We're gonna add our black beans, and then our green pepper. You can use whatever color peppers you have too. They don't have to be green. You're gonna mix it all up. Then you're gonna add this to a plate and serve with some whole grain chips. And there you have it. Your confetti bean salsa is that easy. I hope you guys enjoy this snack as much as I do, and I'll see you next time. Bye.